Hey again. So second video is about friends and money. Now this is always like a dodge subject because obviously you want to hang out like with your friends and do stuff together, and all of that should cost money, right? So I've I've been in awkward situations, right, where somebody's like, "Yo, let's go on this road trip, blah blah blah," and we like organize stuff, and then maybe someone's money hasn't come in. They're like, "Well, I'm waiting for this M-Pesa to come through," and then like it builds animosity, and then maybe the M-Pesa doesn't come through, and then you feel like shit. So what I've learned in my experience, because I've also been in those situations. I remember those ones who were going to Naivash with a friend of mine, and his girlfriend, and like another group of people in another car. And I straight up said, listen, I have 2,000 bob. Do you get what I'm saying? But it's easy. You guys can stay at my house in Nakuru, so you don't have to like pay for accommodation or whatever, right? So as we're heading over there, another friend of mine is like, yo, listen, I should come stay at my house and it's all be good. And the people who are driving were like, Kim, as long as you sort us out for accommodation, we got you. When we get to this house, right, now it becomes dodge. You know what I mean? Like people are having like outside meals and not really buying food in the house. So I'm just sitting there like, yo, like you guys might know, and I don't like asking about, but I'm like, this was the agreement, you know what I mean? Then they be going out, you know what I mean? And me asking for a drink becomes like a long thing. So what I've learned in my experience is that don't trust people when they like they got you. Like unless it's somebody you really fucks with like for the long way, please don't trust it. Always go Dutch. Dutch means split everything up. Do you know what I mean? Like always split the money. And for example, let's say we're going out tonight, right? Where we're gonna go? We're gonna go to Privé or we're gonna go to Mercury or something, blah blah blah, this and the third. If you don't have your money at that time, you have to say, because also the most annoying people in this world are the ones who want to come out with you and they know they don't have any cash and they haven't told anyone. Do you get what I mean? They just assume that you have a lot of money. Do you get what I mean? So when you get there, they start ordering drinks and then they'll be like, yo Kim, you got me on this shit. I probably have like 1,500 and I have like a blue moon or some shit in the car that I'm chugging in the middle of this outing and like drinking a cocktail looking like I'm getting drunk off this shit. Do you know what I mean? And so please guys, just say it early. Do you know what I mean? And go Dutch all the time unless you really trust the people. And because some people make you feel bad, like you probably help them out like a million times, but because in that moment you can't do anything financially, now they start acting like, oh, you know what, we're just gonna go over here. So it's okay if you just chill in the house and then we'll come back for you later. Yeah, and if you're ever in those type of situations, those people aren't really your homies, man. Like allow it. And being at home is chill. Do you know what I mean? It's not a must to go out sometimes. You know what I mean? You can literally relax, read a book, stream shit. You know what I mean? Go on Prime Wire, rewatch Game of Thrones, like whatever. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, my message today is go Dutch. Um, don't get put on unless the person is really sure. That you should even say, well, like if someone's like they got you, just be like, listen, just give me the money right now. If it's 2,000 that you're willing to spend on me, and then I'll pay you back later, and that's awesome. Do you get what I mean? Just avoid the whole drama. Do you know what I mean? Because like the next day it'll be awkward. Now you'll be looking at someone like, yeah, man, you're full of smack. Do you get what I mean? Nobody has time for that. So go Dutch or go home or ask for the cash up front and pay them back later. And don't go on road trips if you don't have money, even if somebody says they got you, because snakes are out here, my guy. Never ever, ever ever. This reminds me of actually a story about Coast. Yo, Diani was, yo, I really knew who my friends were in Diani, man. So they all come. I get this cottage. Everyone's meant to go Dutch in the cottage. My cousins come over. I ask everyone if it's cool for my cousins to stay. They start getting salty because my cousins are guys. The last day they decided to just up and leave us, me and my ex-boyfriend at the time and my cousin in Coast, because they don't feel like paying. And then, yo, to you guys, you're pretty fucking shitty, man. And you are never coming to Mombasa with me again. You're never gonna freeload at my auntie's house again. And I'm never gonna get you a cottage. And don't even call my cottage guy, man, because you guys suck. Thank you.